115 kilometers from Delhi, on the Delhi-Agra National Highway, is located Braj, the land of Lord Krishna, propounder of the world-famed Srimad Bhagavad Gita, is under a grave threat today. The hills of Braj have always given shelter to Brajvasis, the local inhabitants, and have protected them in times of adversity. Laden with dense forest, these hills have prevented the desertification of the region. They have been central to the ecology of the region and ensure appropriate rainfall. This facilitates a rich harvest round the year and thereby brings prosperity to the entire Braj region. The cow-based economy of Braj has always been sustained by these hills. They have traditionally been the pasture lands for the cattle. The livelihood of the thousands of Brajvasis is supported by these natural structures. Even the religious and devotional significance of these hills cannot be undermined totally. The entire area of Kama has got innumerable heritage spots of religious importance. There are temples and sacred sites all over these hills which have been the center of devotion and reverence for the past 5,000 years for millions of Vaishnavites all over the world. Unfortunately, these hills are being brutally destroyed. An organized mining mafia is on the play to disrobe the entire Braj Bhumi of all its grandeur. The current epicenter of these mining activities is the Kama Tehsil in the Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. Defying all established norms and guidelines of mining, the miners are running a naked show.
पहले ये पहाड़ बहुत सुंदर है। अभी 3-4 वर्ष में डायनामाइट और बारूद लगा के फोड़ दिए। दूर दूर तक पत्थर उछट के जाए, तमाम मोर और हिरन मारे गए यहाँ।
There seems to be a criminal connivance between the mining mafia and the state officials as well as the vested interests of the political masters.
एक तरफ ये अंधे, गूंगे, बहरे, भ्रष्ट कर्मचारीगण, अधिकारीगण रिपोर्ट देते हैं कि यहाँ तो मात्र छेनी हथौड़े से काम किया जाता है, जबकि वस्तुस्थिति ये है कि दिन रात डायनामाइट से विस्फोट किया जाता है। कामा कोसी रोड पर आप देख लीजिए कितने क्रशर लगे हुए हैं। क्या ये छेनी हथौड़े का काम है? बड़े दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है, हमारे मोर मर गए, हमारे बंदरों का अस्तित्व खत्म हो गया, हमारे हिरण इत्यादि जो पालतू प्रिय पशु हैं, जानवर हैं जंगल, वो सब बेचारे नष्ट भ्रष्ट हो गए। उनको जंगल छोड़ छाड़ के भाग गए, मर गए इत्यादि। आंखों का अंधा भी देख सकता है कि यहाँ पर निश्चित रूप से 2-4 टन 10 टन बारूद का रोज प्रयोग किया जा रहा।
All this forced the villagers of Bolkheda village to file a public interest litigation in the Rajasthan High Court against this unscrupulous destruction. The Honorable High Court appointed a 2-member committee to investigate into the matter in its order dated 24th February 2004. The exhaustive report of the committee has been vocal and explicit enough to certify the pathetic state of affairs. Based on this report, the Honorable Division Bench of the Honorable Rajasthan Court in its order dated 21st April 2004 observed,
on 17/3/2004, we expressed our anguish with regard to the fact that the state government was allowing the mine operators to continue their mining operations without the requisite consent or clearance from the Pollution Control Board. We had stated in our order that the state government had failed in its duty to ensure the eco-friendly mining operations in the state. In the circumstances, we directed state government to take action in accordance with law and stop the mining operations which were taking place in contravention of the provisions of law and letter and notification of the central government dated 27/1/1994 and 10/6/2003. It is clear that the state has failed to ensure compliance with our orders and has allowed illegal mining to go on. The bench further added, "It is well known that when a forest cover is lost, the rainfall gets scanty. Already the state of Rajasthan is suffering from water shortage. Mindless mining will also affect the water resources of the state. But despite the grave danger, the state has not acted to prevent the ecological damage." Referring to the report of the investigation committee, the bench continued, "The committee has taken pains to point out that not only environment is under attack by the mining operations, even heritage is being threatened. It is pointed out that Kama area of Bharatpur district has 5 famous Jain temples, a temple of Lord Krishna and a cave of Bhyomasur. These sites have not only religious importance, but they are also important from point of view of heritage and archaeology. The way mining operations are being conducted, it will adversely affect the ancient temples and heritage sites. The heritage must be protected and should not be allowed to be destroyed by illegal mining operations." The report also refers to the grant of mining leases at Lehsar, where each lease has been granted over an area of 1 hectare. The mining areas are adjacent to each other, resulting in the formation of one large continuous cluster. The callous insensitivity of the state and most of the mine operators towards ecology has caused grave and irreparable injury to the environment, such as loss of forest cover, pollution of water resources, loss of vegetation and plantation, disappearance of the hills, destruction of the catchment area, deep pits created in the hills and other areas by excavation due to pervasive mining.
This was the observation given by Honorable Chief Justice on our report, and specific directions have been given at a later stage when this public interest litigation was finally decided, and directions have been given to the state government that until unless these mining operations are stopped in the areas, that is D, Kama and other places where all religious places, they are being destroyed, and this is a very serious matter and it concerns everyone around. So it is really important that the directions which have been given by Honorable High Court, they should be complied with in its true spirit and sense.
Despite such clear-cut directions and orders of the Honorable High Court, the government of Rajasthan seems to be in a state of inaction. A strong resentment among the masses is building up in the region. People are getting organized and coming to streets to protest against the brutal destruction of their hills.
तुमने भारतवर्ष का नाश कर दिया, गोधन का नाश कर दिया, दूध दही का नाश कर दिया, जनता के स्वास्थ्य का नाश कर दिया, भारतीय संस्कृति का नाश कर दिया। तुम आसुरी बन गए, तुम राक्षसी बन गए,